Hello, I'm Jerry Cordray. I'm the engineering teacher at Shelby County High School. I love engineering because it gives you lots of opportunities to work with some of the tech stuff that you use all the time, but you get the hands-on and understanding of how it is used and how it works. So the big thing you need to know is that you're going to start with Engineering 1, follow it with Engineering 2, and then after that you can have a choice to focus on which classes you enjoy the most or which topics you like to enjoy the most. So in this class it's a little bit of hands-on learning, but actually it's a lot of hands-on learning, but at the beginning we have to learn the kind of the process in which we do it as engineers so that we can focus on getting the best solutions. We've done projects where we make little puzzle cubes, we've made cardboard boats to race across pools, we 3D print things, we make robots, we have all kinds of projects. You'll see some hopefully in the video with some electronics and robotic arms. But that's not, it's just kind of a glimpse into what we can do for this. So you kind of have two branches of engineering. You can work into more of a technical thing where you're working with the machines themselves and know all the ins and outs of the machines, or you can get to the college side of it where you're going to learn how to do and create those machines and build the factories. So there's two sides of it. What you end up doing is not just factories. You can jump into electrical and civil, you can do buildings and bridges, we can work with cars. It's just how things and what things are being made are what you're going to focus on. As for extracurriculars with my kids, they have two groups or clubs that we do. TSA, which is a Technology Student Association, which is a good one for less time. If you have time and dedication, the kids seem to love Robotics. We compete against the state, different schools, and kids seem to enjoy it very thoroughly, and it's a bunch. It's hands-on, it's building, it's designing, it's programming, it's driving, so you get a lot of aspects of engineering within that.
Because when I was little, I played with Legos, right? And Legos kind of incorporated with engineering, so that's why.
What is one thing you've learned that has stuck with you?
A lot of equations and robotics.
Like
what? Just a lot of equations, definitely.
How so?
There was a lot of new things. I didn't like English. You know how like it repeats every year? This was not like English. Determine like what kind of engineering path I want to go in. Do I want to go like more hands-on, or do I want to do more like coding? Right, help me decide which one I want to do.
Do you know which one you want to do?
Yeah, more like hands-on stuff. Oh, for sure. Robotics, that's pretty cool. You learn all kinds of stuff through robotics. You start off, right, with a competition, like Vex Robotics is like the corporation, right? And you build a robot based on the competition that's assigned. Like one competition, Starstruck, you just had to yeet stars over a grid. So you had to develop a robot that's going to suck in the stars, shoot them over the thing, and get points like that. Or there's another competition where you had to stack cubes and shoot balls and go on top of ramps. There's a whole bunch of competitions, right? And then based on the competition, helps decide like what kind of robot you need to build. And like, you know, you can make a robot, like it has to fit within a certain requirement, but you can make it as tall as you want. We had robots going like 6 feet up in the air. It's crazy.